And all my bags are packed and I'm ready to go. It is time to head to the airport. So I'm all checked in and now I'm going to look for my gate 7, and then sit and wait for like 2 hours. Hey, hey, hey! How's it going? You were in focus, goddammit. This is Myrna and I'm actually traveling with her. So she's gonna be with me for what, a week?
A week, yeah.
For about a week, and then she's heading off elsewhere. She just told me that she tried to upgrade us to business class, and fingers crossed we do get upgraded to business class.
He owes me if we do get upgraded to business class.
So yeah, now we're just gonna wait and see. Hopefully we get business class. You failed at getting us business class.
I tried.
But you failed.
What you didn't know about.
But you failed.
So,
The taxi now to runway 060 in Nairobi, taking up to the Maldives. And climbing up eventually to cruising out to the 37,000 feet. Flying time is going to be 4 hours and 35 minutes.
Alright, so we've just taken off and our flight is 4 hours 30 minutes. So that means sit and watch TV. Dude, this place is hot. We have just landed in Dubai and it is hot. So I must say that flight was actually quite pleasant. The seats were good and the food was amazing. So now we have like a 4-hour layover here in Dubai, and first things first. Well, we were about to go to another terminal to find you, but we found you here. We found you here! This airport isn't even like an airport. This is like a mall, like a huge mall. There's just shopping everywhere. And after a 6-hour flight, we finally made it to Bangkok, Thailand. Walked out of the airport and it's like walking into an oven. But I'm not complaining. I'm in Thailand. Alright guys, so I've just checked into my room here at the Sleep Tight Hostel, and this is my room. So it's 4 beds and it looks like today I'm gonna have the whole room to myself, which is awesome. So yeah, I paid 600 baht for this room for 2 nights. They have an AC which switches on from 2 to 10 and it includes free breakfast. So I'm happy with that. Yeah. Good morning guys and welcome to Bangkok. The stairs are so steep. I'm heading to get some breakfast. And the cool thing with this place is that they give free breakfast every morning. So today's plan is to head to a place called Sathorn Taksin. It's a pier and we'll grab a boat from there which will take us down Chao Phraya River and then will take us to the temple. So today is more of like a temple tour day. Cup and cup. We asked to get taken to the Sathorn Pier and they took us to a place called Jack's, and we thought it was Sathorn. They wanted to charge us like 800 baht per person. We checked Google Maps and we've seen that Sathorn Pier is just like a 10-minute walk from here, and we're heading over to that place. About a 15-minute boat trip and a 1-minute walk later, we are now at the Wat Phro temple. So you got short shorts which aren't allowed, but long shorts is okay. Is okay. For only 100 baht, that's 300 shillings, you get this ticket and get a free bottle of water. So you grab one of these plastic bags to put your shoes in. So I've been seeing about this place on the internet, and then every time I used to watch a video about it, it used to look like it's small. But I don't know if this can give you a scale. This is huge. It is so huge. I don't know what's fascinating me most, the art on the walls or the size of this Buddha. This is a photographer's paradise, no lie. This architecture is so incredible. Look at the number of Buddhas that I'm passing. This whole line is just Buddha, 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 Buddha. Apparently there's 1,000 of these Buddhas. It's like being in the cartoon Mulan. Like if you watch Mulan, this is exactly like it. Like you have all these Buddhas and you have the different red colors and you have these nice structures. Here's a quick tip. If you're coming here, make sure to carry deo because you'll be sweating like mad. It is incredibly hot today and all sweaty and sticky. It's crazy. And sunscreen. Make sure to pick sunscreen. The struggle of taking Instagram photos, this place is packed with people, and when you stand and pose you have people just coming in and out and in and out, and then I've disturbed Mel so many times. I've made her take a picture and then it's not the right picture. I'm like, I'm too far left or too far right, and then I send her back to take another picture. Mel, you're the best. Thank you so much for taking my photos.
It's okay.
We didn't end up going into the Grand Palace because it was 500 baht! So we've come to look for something to eat, and then we're going to cross the river and then head to Wat Arun. We found this place right opposite Wat Phro. This is chicken stir-fried with cashew nut and it is amazing, like really good. How's your salad?
Well, I got papaya salad, and it's actually awesome. Good.
Alright, so getting a boat to go across the river to get to Wat Arun, and it was only 4 baht. So this here is also another temple next to Wat Arun. If you don't want to pay any money to visit any temples, this one's actually free and it's just as beautiful, if not better. It's gorgeous and it's not as touristy as the other temples. And here we are, the beautiful temple of Wat Arun. Oh my gosh, you guys, look at the details. Let the ascending begin. Oh man, these stairs, they're so steep. Wait, what? It's locked. It's locked. It's locked. Alright, so that is the end of our temple viewing here in Bangkok, and now we're just gonna grab a ferry, go back across the river, and then let's get across this. So go back across the river and then head to this place called Eagle's Nest, and hopefully we'll get to see a sunset from behind Wat Arun. So if you want a view like that, you have to pay. So I bought this Sprite, it's 250 ml and I got it for 90 baht. Oh well. Good morning you guys, and welcome to another day here. Today is my final day here at the Sleep Tight Hostel, so gotta go and check out. Let's go. Off to a little bit of a late start today. I ended up oversleeping because I edited till like 12 last night. So now I'm heading to 7-Eleven to get something to eat, and then I have to grab a taxi to go and meet Myrna. We're meeting at MBK Mall. Grab one of these. I should have probably used a bike or something. It took me an hour to get here. I've been walking around this mall trying to look for Myrna, and this mall is huge. I found her. So now, so we're heading up, and Myrna tells me that the higher you go, the cheaper stuff becomes, but the shadier the place becomes.
Which is why we're going there.
Which is why now we're actually going there to get cheap stuff. I need to look for a tripod and hair ties because I forgot to bring mine. Myrna just bought a makeup set and she bargained so hard and got her bargain price. I think I've just been getting ripped off, so she has to teach me how to bargain now. Okay then. So I managed to buy a tripod and brought it down from 650 baht to 450. What's up? I'm learning. If you're an avid shopper, you could easily spend a whole day over here. There's just so much to buy and you can get everything at such low prices. It's insane. So Myrna said as you go up higher, this place gets shady, but to me it actually gets cooler. There's like food everywhere. Alright, so we made it to the busier part of the food court where the food's cheaper, obviously. And this place is packed right now. So we're just gonna look for a restaurant to eat at. So basically what you do is you buy a coupon, 100 baht. And then you take the coupon to a restaurant, and then you pick what you want to buy, and then they cut the amount from the coupon. That's a very interesting interesting concept. You ask them to give you spicy. That's
Really
intense.
spicy.
So you put it into your mouth and it feels like you're not having any chili, and then all of a sudden it just starts getting worse. Oh my gosh, it's so chilly. You are going to have to eat all that.
Yeah, I can do this.
I ordered 2 dishes and didn't enjoy any of them. I think I ordered from like the wrong places.
He's a liar. He's just not adventurous with his food. I mean, in Thailand we're supposed to try everything. He literally wasted 2 whole dishes.
Sorry, Kap. So when in Thailand, you'll probably want to learn Thai English. So Myrna really knows Thai English really well. Myrna, how do you say, I don't know what you're saying?
Don't know what say. Don't know what you say.
And how do you say you're going the wrong way?
You wrong way. You wrong way. Repeat twice.
That's how Myrna was talking to our taxi driver, because he actually drove straight past Lumpini Park. He thought we were going to Lumpini Center, and then Myrna had to like start directing him on how to get to this place. This park is really nicely set up. So you have just trees everywhere, and then you have a river running through the park, and it just all looks so beautiful. In the middle of this huge busy town, you have this nice peaceful green area where you can just come and relax. And I've seen a lot of people come here to jog and run, get some exercise in. So it's a really nice place if you just want to come and relax and chill. Look at the size of that gecko. Holy sh! Well, this guy looks like he's having a really good time. We are currently walking to a station called Nana to get a train that will take us to an area called Sukhumvit. And Sukhumvit is one of the happening places in Bangkok where you can get a lot of street food, the street markets, night markets, and the night markets. And yeah, so we're heading there to go and get massages, and then Myrna, the diva, is going to go and get a manicure, and then we're going to go and get some dinner after that. And it started raining. We were just like mid-walk and the wind just started blowing like really heavy, and then it started pouring like mad. So there's a huge change in plans. When I checked out today, I asked the guys at the hostel to keep my luggage until 8 PM today, so that I can go out and do what I wanted to do and then go back later at night and then pick my luggage. But where Myrna is going, Sukhumvit, is quite far from my hostel, and then getting dinner and going and getting a massage and everything, it's gonna take way long, and I won't make it back to my hostel by 8 to grab my stuff. So I have to go back to the hostel, get my stuff, then probably head to Sukhumvit, or maybe I'll meet Myrna at Khaosan Road or something like that. The traffic right now is insane. It's worse than Nairobi's traffic. So I've ordered a motorbike through Grab, and I'm hoping that it will get me back to the hostel faster than a car. It's even taken the motorbike taxi so long to get here. I got the hostel to store my luggage for 150 baht so that we can go out tonight to Khaosan. Tomorrow we're heading to Chiang Mai and our flight is at 5 o'clock. That's why I checked out today. Myrna and I decided that we're going to have an all-nighter out. Then I didn't think about how I was going to go about my luggage and stuff. So that's where the whole difficult part ended up. But anyway, everything's organized. I've left my bags over here at the hostel. And now I'm heading to go and get some water from 7-Eleven because I haven't had water for most of the day. And I really need to get something to eat. Okay, so I'm currently heading to Khaosan Road. A small walk over and now we're in Khaosan, which is the backpacker tourist party hub of Bangkok. Bottoms up. I'm at Don Mueang Airport. It's currently 2 o'clock after 1 hour of being at Khaosan, and I'm so tired and I don't even know what to say. I'm just so tired. So I need to look for my zone where my flight goes and figure out where my flight departs from. So anyway, I will see you guys in the next vlog when I find my flight. Peace.
Fan of the day.